We'll guide you through how to add a number on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp. So you've got a number you wish to go and add. When you go and add a number, you can then easily go and find them again in the future. You can go and message them, you can go and call them and video call them as well. We're going to walk you through this step by step so you know exactly what you need to do in order to do this. So to get started, come into WhatsApp like so, and what we need to do is go and find the plus. On some devices, this is going to be in the top right, like on this iPhone here. In some cases, it's in the bottom right, and it'll be a little bit different, but you'll still go and see a green button there. You need to go and tap on it. And what that's going to do is go and open up the new chat page, and it'll go and look like this, as you can see. You can scroll down and see your contacts, but we need to look at the top here. So to add a number, we're going to add them as a contact. So go and press new contact at the top here. You can go and type in their name at the top. So let me go and type that in. Enter in their last name. I'll type in GuideRealm. Now you need to go and choose their country code, which is the phone. That's really important because otherwise the number format may be incorrect. So this is already set correctly to the United Kingdom. Now we can go and add in their mobile. So I'll go and find phone. So you can then go and type it in. I'm actually going to go and paste it in as I went and copied it. So in this case, this number is on WhatsApp. Not all numbers will be. So you may have to go and invite them if they're not. In this case it is, and we have that little tick. And what you can also do is choose to go and sync the contact to your phone. This is really convenient and a good idea to do because it will then be in your phone contacts as well. So you can go and use them across your phone if you want to go and send a normal SMS message or go and call them not on WhatsApp. Then you can go and press done in the top right. When you do that, you'll see the contact here. You can message them or call them, or go and press the message button, and then you can go and get started. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. Have a great day. I look forward to helping you in the next one. If you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to reading them and seeing if we can go and make a video on it. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.